and this is the SpyPoint Flex S camera. It has a solar panel. That is amazing because that's going to help it last longer. Now, what I like about this is it has the internal battery that the solar panel is going to charge, but it also has a backup battery. So on the inside, we've added our 8 AA batteries, and I stick it in. Just in case something were to go wrong, I have the battery backup itself. What I like is we can change out between the 8 AA batteries or the LIT 22. The LIT 22 battery is rechargeable, and so it's going to last not only longer, but we can recharge it. And so either way, all I've got to do is simply stick it in as a backup. Here it's super easy to use. I can simply just switch it on and it's going to be ready to go. We can have camera, we can have the immediate feed, or we can have it take videos. And so I love the fact that I can change it, whether I want the still photos or videos, and it's all live. Thanks to the cellular feature, it reaches different networks and it's going to provide live video or photos right then and there. In an instant, it connects to an app and my phone's going to go bing anytime there's movement out at the lease, and we can see the critters that are moving out and about. The camera has a flash range and a detection range of 100 feet. So any animals that are near 100 feet, we're gonna get to see it. The solar panel is every hunter's dream in the fact that we are not running out to the lease all of the time and changing batteries. So this is definitely a great feature, and it's gonna last all hunting season long. And I don't have to worry about, oh my gosh, when did I change the batteries? When do I have time to go out there? So that's definitely a win. Overall, we love our SpyPoint, and this Flex S doesn't disappoint. So I hope you found the review helpful.